Nabanggit po ng PhilHealth, Mr. Chair, na 10,000 po yung mga empleyado ng PhilHealth. Kung i-average ko po yan, pag kinuha ko po yung total ng lahat ng yan, lumalabas po na 2,427 pesos bawat special loot bag na ibibigay po or special tokens para sa mga empleyado. Which, again, Mr. Chair, is, in my view, not reasonable. Siguro yun po kasi yung depensa ng PhilHealth. Kaya babalik-balikan ko po yung salita na yon na 2,500 pesos po na special giveaway para lang sa celebration ng 30th anniversary celebration ay hindi po yun reasonable. Mr.
I would like to thank you for calling our attention on the, based on your language, maybe outrageous or unacceptable amounts, no? And I can assure Honorable Chair and this committee and you, ma'am, that as President of PhilHealth, starting today, I will see to it and I will make sure that for all future events and future celebrations and future expenses, we will really be cognizant and be aware of our mandate to the Filipino people on being more prudent, on being more, on avoiding ostentatious or unexplainable expenses, no?
Recognize the Honorable Mika Swansing.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, a little bit tangential to the topic po is one thing, since our PhilHealth family is here, I would like to take this opportunity to ask their side or give them the opportunity to clear up some of the news that have been circulating in the media. Siguro po in line with what Chairman Acop said a while ago in terms of clarifying what's in the media. Siguro po, Mr. Chair, one of the things that came into the fore in the previous discussions, I believe Mr. Pargas from the PhilHealth has also responded to this, as well as the PhilHealth came out with a statement addressing this issue. But siguro po medyo hindi satisfactory, Mr. Chair, yung response, because this on the screen is a photo of allegedly the proposed budget of the PhilHealth for the celebration of their 30th anniversary next year. So as you can see here, the grand total is 137.8 million, spread across different line items. So siguro po, I was looking at PhilHealth's response to this, Mr. Chair, and essentially po, ang kanila pong depensa ay, this is reasonable, and within the guidelines. So siguro, Mr. Chair, I want to understand that on the part of the PhilHealth as to why this is reasonable on the eyes of PhilHealth, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
Yes, Mr. Ledesma, you recognize.
Yeah. Thank you, Mr. Chair and Your Honor. If I can allow SVP Renette to address the query. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Yes, Mr. Lim Siaco.
Maraming salamat, Mr. Chair, and maraming salamat, Honorable Swansing. Again, as presented and as based on the statement of the corporation, this one is a proposal for year 2025 for the 30th anniversary of the corporation. When you say 30th anniversary, this is a milestone year, Mr. Chair, Honorable Swansing. And based on the discussion last night with the board, this amount reduced already. Binaba po siya. And the amount, Mr. Chair, Honorable Swansing, for the anniversary celebration of PhilHealth in the year 2025 ay nasa 48.5 million pesos. Itong amount na ito ay gagamitin ng korporasyon to advocate, push forward the implementation of the program, Mr. Chair, Honorable Swansing. Maraming salamat po.
Mr. Chair, if I may request the COMSEC to once again flash on the screen the proposal. It's comforting to know that this has been slashed from 137.8 million down to 48.5 million. Pero siguro, Mr. Chair, nakakabahala lang yung ilan dun sa mga initial proposal. Siguro, Mr. Chair, pag kinompute ko po yung line items number 6 hanggang line items number 10, nabanggit po ng PhilHealth, Mr. Chair, na 10,000 po yung mga empleyado ng PhilHealth. Kung i-average ko po yan, pag kinuha ko po yung total ng lahat ng yan, lumalabas po na 2,427 pesos bawat special loot bag na ibibigay po or special tokens para sa mga empleyado. Which, again, Mr. Chair, is, in my view, not reasonable. Siguro yun po kasi yung depensa ng PhilHealth. Kaya babalik-balikan ko po yung salita na yon na 2,500 pesos po na special giveaway para lang sa celebration ng 30th anniversary celebration ay hindi po yon reasonable, Mr. Chair. Yung isa pa po, kung pupuntahan po natin yung number 15, yung line item po para sa sports meet, yung una pong binabalak po na gastusin ay 32.7 million pesos, Mr. Chair. Kaya ito po siguro yung sports meet, siguro po para tong sports fest, para po sa mga empleyado ng PhilHealth. Tama po ba, Mr. Chair?
Yes, Mr. Lim Siaco.
Maraming salamat, Mr. Chair, Honorable Swansing. Tama po, the proposal is intended for the employees of PhilHealth for this sports met, Honorable Swansing, Mr. Chair.
So, Mr. Chair, yun lang po. Ang paggastos po ng 32 million pesos para po sa sports meet, para lang po sa celebration ng 30th anniversary celebration, ay uulitin ko po, hindi po yun reasonable. Lalo na po na marami po pong mga kailangan na bayaran ng mga ospital, marami po pong mga bayaran ng mga kailangan na bayaran ng mga doktor. Kaya po, siguro po, Mr. Chair, yun lang po. Ngayon po na slinash down po mula po sa original na 137.8 million, papunta po sa 48.5 million. Mukha pong maganda naman po yon na naintindihan ng board, pero siguro, Mr. Chair, kung hindi po ito nasilip at hindi po ito kumalat sa social media, siguro po ang tanong sa aking isipan ay, babawasan ba ito ng PhilHealth? O makakalusot ba ito na ganito kalaki yung balak nila na gastusin para po sa kanilang 30th anniversary celebration? So siguro, Mr. Chair, it calls into question for our committee whether the expenditures within PhilHealth are within reasonable limits, or are the expenditures within guidelines? Siguro yun lang yung tanong, Mr. Chair, pagdating po dito. Ang tanong ko po siguro, Mr. Chair, isa pa pong tanong sa PhilHealth. Ano po yung supposedly funding source nito pong 137.8 million na ito? Bagamat naibaba po to sa 48.5 million, siguro po nung ginawa niyo po yung proposal na ito, ano po yung dapat pagkukuhanan ng pondo para po dito sa 30th anniversary celebration, Mr. Chair?
Mr. Chair.
Yes, Mr. Ledesma.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Chair. Thank you, Kong, for your questions. No, on the second question on the funding source, I'll pass it on to SVP Renet. No, but on your first comment, I would like to, and I'm sure I speak in behalf of all of us at PhilHealth, no, most especially the senior officers, no, I would like to thank you for calling our attention on the, based on your language, maybe outrageous or unacceptable amounts, no. And I can assure Honorable Chair and this committee and you, ma'am, that as President of PhilHealth, starting today, I will see to it and I will make sure that for all future events and future celebrations and future expenses, we will really be cognizant and be aware of our mandate to the Filipino people on being more prudent, on being more, on avoiding ostentatious or unexplainable expenses. No? In fact, I was just talking to COO now, I intend to convene our team, no, and really reiterate the importance of using our expenses wisely. No. So again, I would like to thank you personally and in behalf of PhilHealth for pointing this out. And you even made a comment, naku, kung hindi namin nakita yan, paano ba yan, diba? So again, I would like to assure you, no, hindi po mangyari yan. Thank you for the reminder. Thank you for alerting us. And again, I would like to reiterate, as President, I will see to it, hindi po mangyari ito ulit. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chair. Siguro po, ipapaalala lang po yung direktiba po ng ating mahal na Pangulong Bongbong Marcos to observe austerity measures pagdating po, hindi lang po siguro sa Christmas celebrations, pero for celebrations in general. So, yun lang po, Mr. Chair, babalikan ko po yung pangalawang tanong ko na saan po dapat yung pagkukuhanan nito pong pondo ng 137 million na ito, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Lim Siaco.
Mr. Chair,
Maraming salamat.
with the kind indulgence of the Honorable Swansing, related po kasi dun sa earlier question sa 138.
Siguro, Mr. Chair, I would, if
Okay.
it's okay, ASEC, if
After
I
po.
may please, para lang po matapos po natin yung thread.
Yung figure po kasi iba dun sa naalala namin in-approve ng board eh.
Okay. In that case, Mr. Chair, as it's very relevant to the current conversation, Mr. Chair, I will defer, Mr. Chair, as to whether we'll let ASEC interject.
Okay. I will recognize you, but we will recognize Mr. Lim Siaco first.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Maraming salamat, Mr. Chair, Honorable Swansing. The source of fund for the proposal, Mr. Chair, of 138 ay manggagaling po siya sa corporate operating budget of PhilHealth in the year 2025.
Corporate operating budget.
Apo, COB. Corporate operating budget.
Itong 40 plus, dun din manggagaling.
Opo. Pero meron ditong sa 48.5, mayroon 323 na manggagaling sa 2024 extended validity.
324,000.
323,000, Mr. Chair.
Manggagaling saan?
2024 COB, pero
Ano yung COB?
corporate operating budget.
Okay. corporate
We
operating.
requested and approved by the board for the
So kailan po ba yung anniversary ninyo?
February 14, Mr. Chair.
Okay. So this event will be held on February 14.
Yes,
Ha?
year-long celebration.
A year long.
Opo.
It's not one day affair.
Yes po.
So it's going to be a year-long celebration.
Opo.
Okay.
Mr. Chair,
Yes,
if,
the chair would like to recognize Dr. Albert Domingo.
Salamat po, Mr. Chair. Salamat po, Honorable Swansing. It's pertinent po the line of questioning of the Honorable Swansing. And baka ho nagkamali lang ng tingin sa record ang ating FMS SVP dahil ang ginawa po ng board, and I was there in the meeting online also, meron pong prinopose na 30 million pesos na i-charge sa 2024 corporate operating budget. Ang kasama po doon ay sana perforated proposal po ng management, extension of the validity of the 2024 corporate operating budget to include 30 million pesos para bumili ng perforated mesh sticker, tote bag, anniversary shirt, marketing shirt, jacket, katsa bag, button pins, and stamps. Ang ginawa po ng board, tinanggal lahat except yung stamps. So from 30 million, ang ginawa, hindi pumayag yung board, alinsunod na rin sa directive ng Pangulo na maging austere muna tayo sa mga measures natin. I think this is the postage stamps po to postage stamps. So 323,000 pesos only from 30 million. And then yung binabanggit po ni Mr. Lim Siaco, Mr. Chair, sa 2025 corporate operating budget, wala pa hong approval yung board kung ano po yung bibilhin. So they will still have to propose it as is proper for the board to evaluate. And as you saw, Mr. Chair, Honorable Swansing, sa behavior ng board, yung 30 million talagang binaba to 323,000 for postage stamps only.
Thank you.
Mr. Chair, just to clarify with ASEC po, does that mean ASEC sa pagkakaintindi niyo po doon po sa meeting na dinaluhan niyo, posible po na humigit pa doon sa 48.5 million pesos yung gagastusin para po sa 30th anniversary celebration?
Sa meeting po kagabi, Honorable Chair, Honorable Swansing, hindi po. Hanggang 323,000 pesos lang po para sa stamps as of the meeting last night.
Okay. Yun lang, Mr. Chair. Siguro po, Mr. Chair, yun lang. I brought this to the fore during today's conversation kasi po tulad nga po na sinabi ni Congressman Acop, meron pong perception na ito pong pagtanggal ng subsidiya para po sa PhilHealth ay posible pong maging hadlang doon po sa pagbibigay ng PhilHealth ng mga benepisyo para po sa mga Pilipino. I think, Mr. Chair, yun siguro yung biggest misconception na gusto po nating linawin dito sa komite na ito, na hindi po kulang, hindi po naghihikahos sa pera sa kasulukuyan ang PhilHealth. Tulad po ng ating napag-usapan kanina, meron pong tinatayang 700 billion pesos na cash reserves ang PhilHealth. At siguro po, isa po sa mga testamento nito, yun pong binilang natin, kinumpute po natin nila Kong Stella, na marami din po sila, bukod pa dito sa reserves, marami silang corporate budget na gumagalaw din. So siguro po in terms of operating expenses, Mr. Chair, siguro po itong pagtanggal ng subsidiya ay hindi din po makakahadlang sa operasyon ng PhilHealth. Hindi po ito makakahadlang doon po sa abilidad ng PhilHealth na magpatuloy sa paggalaw doon po sa kanilang kinakailangan. At higit sa lahat, Mr. Chair, hindi po maapektuhan nito ang coverage o ang pagbibigay ng benepisyo sa mga benepisyaryo po ng PhilHealth. So siguro yun lang, Mr. Chair. I want to use this as a case in point just to show na hindi po cash trap, hindi po kulang sa pera ang PhilHealth. Dahil kung meron po sila na propose noong una na 137.8 million pesos na kaya nilang ilabas para po sa kanilang 30th anniversary celebration, meron po silang panghuhugutan para po sa kanilang mga pangangailangan, para po sa kanilang operasyon. Sir, Mr. Chair, the reason why I wanted to highlight this number as well is gusto ko po siyang ma-translate kung ilang libong tao na sana yung makakabenepisyo dito po sa pera na ito. Gamitin po natin na basehan yung 137.8 million na yon. Pwede na po sanang makapagbigay ng benepisyo sa 46,000 na mga indirect beneficiaries nila or indirect premium beneficiaries nila. O di kaya kung yung senior citizens po na tumatanggap ng 5,000 pesos na premium, katumbas po nun ay higit 27,500 na mga senior citizens na makakatanggap ng premium. Siguro that's the scale and the magnitude we're looking at, Mr. Chair. So yun lang po, paulit-ulit po natin yun, Mr. Chair, na sinabi sa kahabaan po ng 6 na oras na pagdinig po natin ngayong araw na uulitin po natin ang pagtanggal po ng subsidiya sa PhilHealth ay hindi po makakaapekto sa abilidad ng PhilHealth na magbigay ng mga benepisyo sa atin pong mga pasyente. Hindi po nito maapektuhan ang abilidad ng mga pasyente na nasa mga ospital na makakuha po ng kanilang mga PhilHealth benefits. Kaya yun lang po, Mr. Chair. Maraming salamat po.
Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Mr. Ledesma. You recognize.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. And again, again, maraming salamat, ma'am, for bringing that up. No, I cannot overemphasize and just reiterate that starting today, po, you will see it. No, the way the money of the corporation, no, the way it will be used, we will be very austere. We will really be very simple. No. And nothing like this will ever come out again. No, and so I think I see this as a blessing in disguise, no? Kasi lumabas ito, and in fact, I already spoke to COO, no? We will see to it, no? From here on in, that we have to be careful, no? We have to be cognizant. We have to know for a fact that people will see paano ginagastosan ng PhilHealth yung pera. So kailangan maingat po kami. And like I said, as President and as Vice Chairman of the Board, I will personally see to it nothing will come close to this happening again po. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. And Mr. Chair, if I may respond very quickly lang po.
Yes, please.
I hope, Mr. Chair, that thank you, President Mandy, for that assurance. Pero sana po, apart from looking at ways to implement austerity measures in these sorts of expenditures, uulitin ko lang po yung isa din sa mga kahilingan ng aking mga kasamahan dito po sa Kongreso, na sana po pag-aralan po ng PhilHealth kung papaano po mas mabuti na magamit yung pong yung fund reserves po na meron ng PhilHealth para po mapataas yung coverage. Ibig sabihin po, mapataas yung halaga na pwede po nating ma-cover o mabigay bilang benepisyo sa ating pong mga pasyente, sa mga pinaka-nangangailangan. At mapag-aralan po natin yung papaano po natin ma-expand yung coverage in terms of the types of diseases po. Kung ano pa yung mga pwedeng saklawin na mga sakit. At Mr. Chair, kung pwede rin sanang pag-aralan din ng PhilHealth, tatlo po kasi yung napag-usapan, taasan po yung halaga ng benepisyo, mas lapadan po yung coverage ng mga sakit, at yung pangatlo po, kung pwede po mapag-aralan, kung pwedeng magkaroon po ng moratorium doon po sa mga rates. Yun lang po, Mr. Chair, dahil po sa kahabaan po ng ating hearing, yun lang naman po yung paulit-ulit po naming hinihiling sa PhilHealth, na dahil po alam na natin ngayon na meron po tayong 700 billion pesos na excess funds sa bahagi po ng PhilHealth, papaano natin ngayon magagamit ng tama at papaano po natin magagamit ito para matulungan po yung mga may sakit po natin ng mga pasyente. Maraming salamat po, Mr. Chair, at maraming salamat po sa ating po mga panauhin galing sa PhilHealth.
Duly noted, Mr.
Thank
Chair.
you. With that, may I know if there are still other members? Wala na siguro.